Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. In this occasion, I would like to present my slide presentation. It's about workshop for you, Fadlan. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadlan Rabani Juwana. Here, I would like to explain you guys about my projects about me. At least about. Okay? First here, there is table of content for my profile. There is skills, my skills, education, experience, design gallery, project gallery, and certificates. Let's check it out. Okay, here, hi, my name is Muhammad Fadlan Rabani Juwana. I come from East Jakarta. I was born in Jakarta 10 February 2009. Okay. My life was till junior high school now. I am 9th grade. I'll be graduation a few days later. So just next. Here also there is my maybe expert in this software Figma, WordPress, and CapCut. CapCut is for editing videos, something like that. Next. Okay, here, there's my skill. Actually, I don't really expert in this skill. Yeah, but I just put. The main one, I have a skill here, but I don't really expert. So here there is Scratch, Buildbox, and WordPress. So both of them, I don't really expert to make a game here. This also, and website, not really. Next. Here there is Figma platform. So here, both of the skills, there is an explanation. There's an explanation. This KBD. KBD is software for making a code for IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. Okay, there's Photopea. Photopea, I really like Photopea. Maybe you guys can say it's like, what do you say, Adobe Photoshop, but it's a bit different, and the software is like Adobe, I mean. And also there's Spline also for making 3D design, yeah, but I don't really expert in it. Next, there is Modular. Yeah, I can say I really expert in Modular because Modular actually is like programming, but so here both software, there's Android and Modular. Both of them is for making an application such as Android, yeah. Android apps. Here, what's the name? Yeah, here. Now this is the well-known platform. Read an Android program. So Android program it means application. This also same, but Modular may be easier. So there is a block code. Just take it, drag and drop, and put. Then yeah, but here, if Android Studio, we should coding, we should write typing, then create the application. Next, there is Cisco Packet Tracer. I don't really expert in it, but I just put. So actually, I can make a program from Cisco Packet Tracer, but I don't really expert. Okay, next. Okay, here there is studying history. So here I was elementary school in SDIT Alcoholic. So this is my best, what we call my best experience also, because studying history I was learning here around 6 years because elementary school, right? So here I graduate, I end in 2021 as my first for a few days what I said before. So I'm the first generation. I didn't go to the street when I was younger. Next, okay, here my experience. I'm sorry. Actually, I have a lot of experience, but I just put a bit, and it's not really good. Yeah. No, maybe not really amazing like others. Here there is a leader of council. I was being leader of council here, teaching and assignment agree 45 Jakarta Barat. That is teaching Ponpes Al-Azhar. Actually, I just put teaching and lead there because I expert in it. There's lead I was meeting 2022 and 22. Lead I was meeting 2023. And create 3 IT books and also same, yeah. Next, this next. So here there is gallery design. I was made a UI UX. I was made a UI UX bookstore. Made a UI UX under the title of bookstore. So here my UI UX. That's right. Continue. Here there's my second UX gallery design skill. UX fashion style. Here you can buy like shoes, your maybe your smartwatch or earphone and others. Next. Okay, here there is project gallery. So actually I did make a lot of games, more than 8 more, yeah. But I just put 5 mix, scratch, and here there is explanation, scratch, and also group box. Here, second one there is the defender. Oh yeah, before I'm sorry, I forget to explain you guys. So here manners of sleep. So we just click with this button, play button, next to learn how to how to sleep well. Yeah. Next there is the defender. So you know you can understand from the defender. So we should define our investment and others. Next, here there is Ninja Fruit. Ninja Fruit is actually we a big copyright from from Ninja Fruit to be Fruit Ninja. So just change the words here. Next, there is build box here with box games. We made Dino game. Actually, this common game when we are have no internet, so the electric or the internet off. So we open the Google, then we can play this one. Yeah. Then I made in toolbox. To be next, here there is treasure hunt. Actual treasure hunt just jumping, just like away from obstacle here. So it's in the beach. Yeah, inside the beach. Sorry, maybe I'm wrong pronunciation. I don't even know how to pronounce correctly. Next here, there is a website. So I always made a website when I was 7 years. So here there is 7 great projects. So from scratch, and here it's still 7 great projects. Then there is gallery design skill, project gallery, portfolio web. See, so this is my portfolio, my old website. Next, there is S data coding. So this is my old school what I said before. So I was made the UI. Sorry, I was made the web, school web. Wait just next. Here there is mouse web. Mouse web. So there is my one of my the nearest of mouse with me. So to say the most that in my home like that. So here I made the name is Tanjung Lura, but the pictures I took another picture from Pinterest, I know. So open Pinterest for goodness, for goodness. Here the skill dollar design changed to be 8th grade. So here 8th grade. When I was entered to 8th grade, I learned about design actually, many in design. Here there is UI UX bookstore. So this UI UX before what I made in your first design gallery. Yes, next. There is ads poster. So in this poster we made advertisement poster. So for promote our products. Next, there is a simple product. Actually, there is a bottle. There's a bottle, and we can change the design. I'm okay. Here there is 3D people, like 3D black people, just then 3D people. Here's the 3D design what I explained before, spline. Next, there is poster manners of it. So here I learned in Inkscape. Inkscape is software for making a design also. I was made still on computer from that from here. Poster manners of it. Let me just next. Here in that grade, I learned design also, microbit, and one more IoT design. No? So here there is rock, paper, scissors, like rock, paper, scissors. So there is a game here. Okay. Next there is fruit piano. So fruit piano. When we are click the fruit, an example banana. So when you click banana, so will be there as a voice. Next is object follower. So object follower is like there is an object in the front of us. So when an example that's a microbit. So microbit is like a car. A small car. So here the microbit. If we put our hand or that's an object in front of this program, so it will walk like this. But if no nothing, it will just stop. That is it will fall. The name is object follower. Next, there is watering plant. So this is KBID, include KBID, because it's IoT, Internet of Things. Here there is watering plant. So actually these smart things, because IoT is Internet of Things. So here the program, this program will be work when. So there's a sensor we put in the dirt, on the dirt, inside the dirt, I mean, yeah, or the ground land. So there he will detect how much the dry of that dirt. Yeah. So if under I forget under 70 or more than 70, the water will on. Yeah. Then when the moisture or the sensor detect the land or the dirt is wet, so it will stop the water. Next, here there is smart parking. Okay, smart parking. What we can understand from this word smart parking. Maybe you guys can see. You guys can see from maybe in airplane, not airplane, airport. I mean, sorry, airport. Sometimes in parking area, there's The parking is didn't the parking is full. Yeah, there is a car there. I don't know how to explain, guys. But if green, so there that parking is empty. Okay, that's continue. Maybe I talk too much. So you're here. Let's talk to me. Talk to me this program so we can speak and talk. We speak and record and speak. So we can record our voice and also we can speak. Maybe we write. Maybe you guys can learn how to pronounce correctly here. So when you write here some text, sentence here, then you can click speak. So this program will, this apps. Oh yeah, I'm sorry guys. We already entered to 9 grade projects. 9 grade projects, of course. So we'll learn about Podular. I forget to explain. There is talk to me here. When you put some text here, you can speak also here, and you can record. Then when you record, we'll put the text here. That is pretty tangled. Yeah. Maybe next, almost done. Of course, there is radio online here. Radio online is just like a normal. What we call it's like normal muraka. Next, there is calculation apps. Here, there is calculation apps. Calculation apps still in Podular. Still in Podular and still 900. So these calculation apps have a lot of features. I don't know how to pronounce correctly. Feature maybe. Here there's calculation, rectangle, maybe we can zoom in. Cannot. So here the calculation, remember calculation about rectangle, triangle, and others. Here we answer to Android. So here Android, I was make an application, a program about Vitakwa. So from this app's name, we can guess. So inside this apps is about iman, about taqwa, because we taqwa, we should be taqwa. That's right. Here there is zakat apps. Yeah, actual zakat, string zakat maybe. Yeah. So here there is zakat. You can maybe calculation about zakat. Actually, inside the Bitaqwa there is a lot that is schedule of praying, and also there is schedule of kajian. I mean video, kajian video and others. Maybe just explain next. There is menu doa here. Menu doa, yang what I said before. Menu doa apps still include with Bitaqwa. Here Bitaqwa there is a feature doa apps. So in doa apps there is a lot of there are a lot of kind of dua. Yeah, dua. So maybe dua before sleep, dua before eating, and others enter into that maybe. So guys, we're going to explain about English projects. Still in project gallery. Here there is a final project. I was made this video when 9th grade first semester final project because I will be graduation soon. Yeah, final project here after graduation. We explain. I will explain at the time. Next, there is teacher of the day. Here, there is teacher of the day. I teach about I teach about maybe the manners to touch the manners with Al Quran. Yeah, so we can know how easier to learn to get Al Quran. Next, there is monthly podcast. There is monthly podcast here. I was podcast with Kamil. Maybe so far this is the best podcast ever because you can see the stage is really good. Yeah. So I was recording here about unforgettable, but let me just next. There's a mini contest. I was mini contest with Hazim. Yeah, I don't know why I use white clothes, white uniform. Maybe there is a little bit, you know. There's a mini contest here. Mini contest. I was cooking, so cooking. Then I explain. There's a point how to explain. Yeah. So like how to make something. Yeah. I was made udu rice. Udu rice. Here there is practical exam. So if already in practical exam, we're almost done. Practical exam. There is linear project. Linear video. I will forget to change. Here there is Harris poster. You can check in my Instagram. So I put. Here there is Harris poster. Next, there is Akidah poster. So we should love our Prophet. Yeah, my teacher said Prophet. What the pronounce correctly is Prophet. Prophet. Okay, here there is Akidah poster. Next, there is mind mapping. There is knowledge the jenazah. So how to make I don't know how to say. Yeah, the main point knowledge about the jenazah. Next, there is video zero videos. Sorry. So here I explain about Fathu Makkah. Makkah was my video. Yeah. And we just continue to Arabic viewer conversation. So here I did a conversation with Hazim, my friends, of course. Yeah. So I did talk about a little bit talk about. I invite him to go to the mosque, but it just a big conversation. Yeah. This example here. Okay. Next to achievements. Actually not project gallery, but I don't just in gallery, project gallery. So here there is my certificate achievement that I will get in during an idea. Actually I have a lot, but my teachers told me to put five. Yeah. There's courses digital WordPress here, certificate. Said there is courses digital Figma, so I learned about the basic of Figma. Here there is grasshopper. I don't know how to grasshopper. Coding fundamentals. Next there is Canva 200 projects. So I was made designing Canva. Then I get achievement 200 projects. Nice. So here there is an experience also. Actually I have both experience before, but there is a picture here now with Rob Council when I was with my friends. Yeah. Actually all of us is same. We are people who eat rice. Okay, next. There is public speaking. Here I public speaking. Actually, not public speaking. It's like a reading of Quran in front of audience. So I be like MC, opening kajian next time. Next, there is teaching student. I was teaching 6 or 5 times. Okay. Slowly here. I just put the picture, this one. Okay, maybe just that's all from me for explaining about my portfolio Ramana design. Thank you guys for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.